back to our MATLAB series. In this video, we will explore scripts and functions in MATLAB and show you how to create them with some practical examples. Let's get started. First, let's talk about scripts. A script is a file that contains a series of MATLAB commands. It's great for automating repetitive tasks and running multiple commands in sequence. To create a script, simply hit the New Script button on the top left corner, and this will open the editor window with your new script. Here, you could write all your commands. Always remember that each line must end with a semicolon in your script. Let's look at an example. You could write A equals 6 semicolon, and notice how the editor checks for any syntax errors. Then you could do B equals semicolon, and you can do C equals A plus B semicolon, and then to display your results you could say display For those new to MATLAB, the display function displays any results you want on the screen. The num to string basically converts C from a number to string, since each input in the display function has to be a string. Then you have to save your script. Hit Ctrl S to save. You can choose the name of your script as you wish. The name of the script can't have any spaces. If you add any spaces, MATLAB will error and will not save your script. Now to run your script, in the command window, type your script name, hit enter, and this will run your script and will show the results on the command window. When you run your script, MATLAB executes each line of code in order, and you will see the results displayed in the command window. You can see how useful this is for automating data analysis codes and other types of data processing. Now let's move on to functions. Functions are a piece of code that can accept input arguments and return output. This makes them more flexible and reusable. To create a function, head to the Home tab, click on New, and then choose Function. This will create a function file. As you can see, MATLAB provides a function example to make it easier for you to create a function. Every function in MATLAB has to start with the keyword function. This keyword indicates the start of a function definition in MATLAB. It tells MATLAB that the following block of code is a function, not a script or a simple sequence of commands. Then you have an array of all the outputs separated by a comma. Then here, this is your function name, which you will use to call the function. Then you have the function inputs separated by a comma, and here you can list all the commands that you want to be executed, and then each function has to end with an end statement. Let's look at an example for a function that calculates the area of a circle. For my function output, I'll choose it to be the area. My function name, I'll choose it to be circle area. Note that the function name can't have any spaces. Then for my inputs, I'll choose the radius. Then over here, I'll type my command to calculate the area of a circle. And my function is complete. Now I'll save my function. To run this function, simply head to the command window and type A equals my function name. Now I'll give it an input, then hit enter. This will run the function and return a value. You can also combine scripts and functions to make your code more modular and organized. Here is an example where a script calls a function to perform some calculation. Head back to the script that we created before. I will delete these, then I will define a radius, let's say 2. Then over here I will calculate the area of a circle. And over here I'll display the area. and simply save and run the script. I'll delete that. Run the script, and you can see that the area of the circle is calculated over here. That's it for today's video on scripts and functions in MATLAB. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next videos. Thanks for watching.